Come closer. Come closer. Let's pack a bag together for a wedding, for a video. But not like ASMR, just normal. We're just gonna do it normal. So some of you may know that I am primarily a wedding videographer and photographer. I love shooting music videos, I love exploring nature, but my job is as a wedding videographer photographer. So today we're gonna pack for a wedding that I've got tomorrow. We're shooting video, and I just wanna go through and give some insight into what I bring to a wedding. This will be the second time I filmed this video because this camera it was going, but then it said it wasn't. So that was great. So first things first, we got our backpack. I like the backpack. It's a Neewer backpack. It's kind of broken, but it gets the job done just fine. Normally for weddings where I'm shooting video, I run a 3-camera setup. So we've got 2 of the A7S IIIs, which are these guys here, and you are an A7S III currently as well right now. This one I have a little cage because I shoot mostly handheld these days, and then I'll put 2 on the tripod. This is the A7 IV as the C-cam. Does a great job. Wonderful video. All of the cameras are loaded with a freshly charged battery, and they have 2 SD cards in there, 128 gigs. Normally, that's fine. I normally don't shoot more than that in a day, but just in case, we have a full card wallet here, just in case. And for backup as well, I do bring many a spare battery, and they go in this little pouch right here just for easy access. I've got 6 in there right now, and they're all the brand name Sony batteries. I have tried using non-Sony batteries, but they just give like false readouts sometimes. Like you'll have like 10% left and then all of a sudden 0%, and that's like the opposite of what you want in a battery. Next thing is lenses. My main lenses for video, I run some zooms. When we're just shooting photo, we like the 35, we like the 85, both the 1.4. Amazing lenses, but they're heavy. They're not quite versatile enough. I can't have like 2 video cameras strapped to me. I guess I could another time. So we have 2 of the Tamron 28-75s. I chose these ones over the Sigma. They're a little bit lighter, and I like the trade-off. I personally really can't tell the difference with regards to the quality. Also, we have 17-28, which is right. You are that. So if I could show a mirror, that would be there, and you get put in the bag. So just pretend a camera there. I also bring these 2 little guys. There are older primes, but they work wonderfully, especially for video. So we've got an 85, and we have the 50, which I just did a video on last week. So if you haven't seen it, please go check it out. A couple of accessories because we're fancy. So I've got a top handle and a side handle, which actually like does a little rotation. Very nice for getting like all nice little motion. On the top handle, I run a monitor as well. We've got the Atomos Ninja numero 5. And then, we've got a bag of filters. Yay! Mostly just ND filters. So as you can see there, look guys, this one lives on my camera. That's the Nisi 1 to 5 stop variable ND. It's wonderful. I love it. It's just a shame that like a little piece of glass costs like $250. Of course, we pack batteries for the monitor. Those go in there as well, right in the front. Ease of access. I bring a gimbal. I used to do like whole wedding days on gimbals, but now I like almost exclusively just do the ceremony. I just find that I can get a little like nicer motion and stuff with that. I don't always want to be on a locked off angle, so yeah. Oh, and a couple other things here. The strap, I like the Peak Design strap there. Allows me to take it on and off when I'm transitioning between ceremony and stuff. And then I bring these little gray and white cards there, although I have used them maybe twice. Now, if it's a really large wedding or if it's in like a really big venue, I will bring the 70-200, but as is with most of our weddings, it's not that big tomorrow, so that's good. Perfect, so this is kind of the camera side all done. So we'll close this up and move on to the next bag. Bag number 2, and you may be saying, well, what's this guy for? I put all my sound stuff, any like little extra accessories, I put them all in here. So my main go-to mics are the Rode Wireless Pros. I switched over to these last year from the Tascam DR10s. Missing one because I'm wearing one right now, but 2 wireless transmitters and a receiver. They work wonderfully, and for like 32-bit also I love it. Coming also in at the 32-bit front, I switched to this, which is the Zoom F3. Love this little guy. It's so tiny. I have a longer cord so that I don't have to like be on top of the DJ when I'm adjusting levels and all that stuff. And also, like, again, I can't recommend little attachments and stuff. Oop. It was a little coming apart. But I have an attachment for XLR to RCA. I have XLR to 1/4 inch, and that has done me for like 99% of scenarios. So XLR, RCA, 1/4 inch, and that I can pretty much get into any board or speaker from that. As a backup, just in case, I do bring this little guy. This is the DR10L Pro. This is the Tascam. I really like this one because it does run off of 2 AAA batteries, so it pretty much lasts for as long as you'd need it. I think it's rated for like 8 hours of continuous recording, but I've never had to use it that long. Now, I do bring this as well. So this is kind of if I need like on-camera audio for something, I'll usually put it on one of the cameras during the ceremony, just in case there's wind and I want to grab like audience clapping or laughter, those kinds of things. It is the Sony
ECM B10 digital shotgun microphone.
It's called, but hopefully you just heard the overdub there. So that goes in there. I have extra batteries and chargers for the F3 and this little guy, just in case. I've got a little multi-tool as well, that just a little small rig multi-tool. Oh my God, not the face. Comes in handy, just taking things on and off tripods. I pack an extra back for the body cap and an extra lens cap as well. In here I also pack a couple of extra clips just in case. I have the Arca Swiss system, so that's pretty great. I do also have an extra HDMI for my little screen. And then that's pretty much it for like the majority of things. I do have 2 other large bags. It's mostly just hardware. One bag has 2 tripods, 2 light stands. The other bag has 3 lights in it. And maybe I'll do a breakdown, but this is kind of the meat and potatoes. So I'm glad we got through it. Thanks for watching, and let's go shoot a wedding.